I've put in more than my fair share of Tapcons. One thing I was taught very early in my career was buy the blue bits. The bits that are in the Tapcon box aren't even worth using. Bosch has always been the expert in concrete and masonry with innovations like SDS Plus and Max, the Bulldog, and of course the Brute. These blue granite bits are no exception. They give me the speed and life I need when I'm drilling holes in masonry and lightweight concrete. Hammer drills use a high-speed percussion action that can damage the carbide tips on cheaper bits. That's why Bosch uses a special brazing process and the best quality carbide and combines it with a unique diamond ground tip design. That means faster starts, more accurate holes, and longer lasting bits, up to 4 times longer than standard masonry bits. Bosch also listened to tradesmen, and their #1 complaint about masonry drilling was bit slippage. That's why they designed the new Power Grip shank. It has a row of tabs that quickly lock between the jaws on a typical chuck. Tapcon applications aren't the only thing that these bits are great for. You'll get precise starts, fast drilling through softer tiles and natural stone, and even granite. Most other bits won't even make one hole. Remember, better accessories mean better results. The next time you're drilling with a hammer drill, make sure you're using a blue bit, the Blue Granite Turbo from Bosch.